Greetings, discerning listeners. Are you tired of the never-ending battle against smudges, streaks, and the elusive fingerprint on your pristine glassware? Do you yearn for a clarity so profound it redefines your very perception of clean? Allow us to introduce you to the Otter cloth, where microfiber meets its ultimate destiny. Forget everything you thought you knew about cleaning cloths. This isn't just fabric. It's a testament to perfection. Our split microfiber technology's performance is second to none. It's like magic, but with science. You see, microfiber is positively charged, which means it actively attracts negatively charged dirt and grease. The outcome? No lint, no streaks, and absolutely no fingerprints. Your glasses will be so spotless they might just disappear. And for those of you who appreciate a clean planet as much as clean glasses, Otter cloth is also remarkably sustainable. These cloths can be washed hundreds of times without losing their effectiveness, saving you money, time, and leaving the smallest carbon footprint possible. Plus, no chemicals are required when cleaning the cloth, just good old water as nature intended. Who knew being eco-friendly could be so sparkling? Whether you're a bustling bar or simply seeking perfection in your home, Otter cloth comes in two convenient sizes: regular at 25 by 20 inches and commercial, a generous 30 by 30 inches. Available in classic white or sleek gray, the Otter cloth ultrafine microfiber high-quality glass cleaning and polishing cloth is reusable and washable, ready for endless cycles of brilliance.